What's Mr. Young's first name?
Clint.
Clint. Clint Young, come forward, sir.
Your Honor, we have, may I approach, Your Honor?
Yes. Sir, have you appeared before a judge yet?
No.
Okay, let me take a look at your case. Sir, you were arrested for fleeing, driving on a suspended license, endangering the welfare of a minor, 2 counts, and driving left of center. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and probably would be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, if you'll make application to the public defender's office, if you qualify, an attorney will be appointed to represent you. While you're in the Baxter County Jail, subject to regulations of the Sheriff's Department, you have a right to communicate with your family, friends, and your attorney. There's been an affidavit presented in your case to the district judge. He's found probable cause for your arrest. And let's see, what's the recommended bond?
Your Honor, the bond that was set was $25,000. I suspect, Your Honor, that his driver's license is suspended based upon non-payment of child support. That's
Yes.
what we would suspect. That's where that bond number would have come from also.
Okay.
Yes.
These are D felonies. What?
Your Honor, we would think that a bond amount of $5,000 is appropriate.
Bond be set at $5,000. And let's see, I guess he'll probably be served with a warrant sometime.
We believe he's been served with a warrant, Your Honor.
Okay.
It's just not been delivered back to the clerk's office yet, Your Honor.
Okay. I think November 10th will be enough time.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct that if you make bond, you reappear or appear in Baxter County Circuit Courthouse, Court Complex on November 10th at 9:30 a.m., okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
16364, Carla Thompson, obtaining prescription by fraud, attempt to do the same. 364. Ma'am, I appointed the public defender's office to represent you. You appear for an arraignment.
Okay. Thank you,
How
sir.
does she plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll enter that plea of not guilty. Your case is before Judge Gordon Webb. Reappear on November 10th at 9:30 a.m.
Here, in this
Yes,
courthouse?
yes.
Okay.
16333, State versus, is that Ronnie or Levi Hooten? Aggravated assault, endangering the welfare of a minor, public intoxication. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Your Honor, me and my associate, Mr. Ballard, both be representing Mr. Hooten. He was previously arraigned last week in front of Judge Webb, and I
Okay.
believe he just sat on your docket today to be placed on a scheduling order.
All right. If we haven't already, we'll send out a scheduling order.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. May he be excused.
Yes. State versus Kenny Vandermellen. Possession of controlled substance with the purpose to deliver, drug paraphernalia. 16329. Good morning.
I filed a petition through the public defenders.
Okay, the public defender represents you, right? Okay. We'll wait till they get back in here. He has been arraigned. He's just appearing for to get on the scheduling docket, and if we hadn't sent out notice, we shall do that.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
If he could be excused, Your Honor.
you're free to go, sir. 16-327, State versus Ricky Estes, residential burglary and battery. Case will be scheduled if we haven't. Stay in contact with your lawyer, sir.
I signed up for a public defender, and when I called them last Thursday, they told me it would be 2 to 3 weeks before they would know anything. When I called them.
Well, but they. Yeah, they're talking about information from the prosecutor's office.
Okay.
But they'll be representing you, sure.
Okay.
He sent you a letter yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. 16307, Jana Brigman, possession of methamphetamine. 16295, paraphernalia, controlled substances, damaging wires or other fixtures, telephone, cable, or electric power company. I'm looking at 16,295.
And I don't want warrants for non-payment.
Doesn't appear there's anything to be done in that case unless,
You know, I think where we are in all of these cases is that a drug court plea was initially worked out, and that plea did not go through last week in front of Judge Webb, and I understand that drug court is not now going to work because of some prescription medication that she is on, so it
I have a
needs
whole
to.
lot of problems.
I think if it's not on a scheduling order for trial, Your Honor, it would need to be. I think the matter is probably going to trial now.
I think so.
wages, okay, see if we got it. Is one of these a revocation?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
They're all?
Yes, Your Honor, they're all tracking together.
Very well. Well, leave it as scheduled then.
12-1.
Your Honor, Ms. Bridgman has noted to me as she was coming forward that she is on an ankle monitor that this court has ordered. She's having difficulty in paying for that ankle monitor.
Let me see.
And fines.
I don't know what,
Bull Shoals, I would love to be able to pay my fines. It's just, this thing's horribly expensive. I cannot do both.
Your Honor, one of the great things about the ankle monitor program, it allows us to see what people are doing when they're out on bond and the people that they're having contact with. It would be appropriate that either Ms. Bridgman remain on the ankle monitor or that she be reincarcerated as a condition of her bond.
Okay, she's on house arrest, so
Yes, Your Honor.
is she not staying at the house?
We find that there's times she's not at the house, Your Honor.
I've been at doctor's appointments in here and
Is that all?
grocery stores. That's it.
Why are you going to the grocery store? Who do you live with?
My brother, and he's out of town, and the only way for me
Well,
to get
you
food,
need to get authorization to do that now.
I,
Your Honor, the state would indicate
I'll
that
stay
the information
on
that
it.
we have available to us indicates that there are places that she is going that would not be a doctor or to the grocery store or to that location or other people who are out on bond who are under sentence of this court.
Yeah, we'll leave it as it is.
okay.